Hi guys, in this video we will be looking at several essential features of HTML5 video player technology and its integration. Supposedly have a working website like this one or else and need to add some video content to it for streaming or perhaps further monetization too. If so, what you're probably looking for is a lightweight, easy to use HTML5 video player. In case you're interested in trying out the AdPlayer.Pro video player, please send us a relevant request using a contact form on our official website at AdPlayer.Pro. You will be assigned a dedicated manager who will offer you the best solution based on your specific requirements and guide you through the implementation process. You will either be using a standalone player JavaScript code for integration, which means the video player params are configured programmatically directly on your website, or so to speak, placement code. This is what the standalone player JS code looks like. As you see, it includes a set of params, among which there is a link to the video file aimed for streaming, which can be changed anytime, simply by replacing the file URL. It's also possible to change the player width and height, either use the static player size and define values on pixels like in our example, or work with the responsive player, then defined width as percentage, or define width and height as aspect ratio, that is, as a proportion. And this is a placement code where the player configuration is handled via the AdPlayer.Pro video platform dashboard. Now, let's see how the standalone player code integration works. We need to copy the JS code and paste it into the website HTML using one of the HTML editor programs. I'm also adding the auto-start false param value right away, just to prevent the automatic streaming of video content. Then we're saving the changes and updating the website HTML code on the server. Now, let's refresh the web page and we see the video player is already added to the page. In case you wish to further monetize video content on your website with video ads, for example the instream ad formats like pre-roll, mid-roll or post-roll, the player code will look slightly different. I will get back to the dashboard for a second and link some video ads to the player for testing purposes. Now, let's have a look at the standalone player code once again. We see it currently includes a set of advertising params, like the ad URL and format, all configured in a separate advertising section. The entire list of advertising params that are available for configuration are described in the online documentation on our website, and I will add the link to it in the video description for your convenience. Let's copy the modified JavaScript code and paste it into the website HTML instead of the previously added one. Then, update the page HTML on the server and finally, refresh the web page. As we see, unclick the play button. First, the video ad displays in the player, and further on, the video content. In addition to in-stream video ads, the AdPlayer.Pro video player also supports a broad range of outstream video ad formats like in-page or in-view, for example. I will describe their specifics in our future video tutorials, so stay tuned. More importantly, if you don't work with any video advertisers yet, it's possible to monetize your inventory with AdPlayer.Pro Demand via AdPlayer.Pro Ad Marketplace. Well guys, this is pretty much it for today. In description to this video, I'm adding the link to documentation and the link to our website, where you can find more information about the AdPlayer.Pro video ad solutions and send us the player test request. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to like it and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when our new video tutorials arrive.